Mozilla has begun rolling out a new update to its Firefox web browser, with version 95 now being made available for both PC and mobile devices. And while the desktop changelog is showing more significant features, which I will link to the changelog in the video description below, the Android application has also received some new features and security patches. So for Android devices, the biggest change in this update comes with a redesigned settings page, which you can find by tapping the three-dot menu in the address bar and then selecting the settings option. Now specifically, the company has added a new homepage section to the settings menu, and this is a place the company will be putting all of the options that relate to the new homepage feature the company introduced in a previous update. Those who have been using the jump back in section of the new homepage will notice that the section now displays a featured image for the website that's being shown here. And Firefox will also display a confirmation saying auto close enabled whenever the user enables the auto close feature from the tab tray. In a previous update, the company added a thought-provoking stories section to the new homepage, and now the company is able to bring this new feature to users throughout Canada. Version 95 of Firefox has also included a number of fixes in this update as well. For instance, the jump back in section that I just showed you used to have a bug that prevented the titles or the URLs from being shown, and that has now been fixed. The inactive tabs prompt will no longer be redisplayed after being dismissed, and the download list will now refresh properly after you delete a file. There were also some serious crashes found by the Firefox team that happened whenever you opened a history group or whenever you selected a topic under the Stories by Topic section. These crashes have now been fixed and should no longer happen in version 95 of Firefox. The last thing I want to mention in this update is the security fixes that have been implemented. As always, if you care about the personal data on your device and you want to keep all of your information private, be sure to update Firefox so that these vulnerabilities are not going to affect you or your device. And again, I'll be linking to this security advisory page in the video description as well. So that wraps up the summary of what has changed in version 95 of Firefox for Android. As mentioned, the desktop version of the application has received a lot more features and changes, but that doesn't make the mobile version less important. So if you are using Firefox on Android, go ahead and download the latest update to your devices.